It's cake. Oh no, where's Whimsy? Whimsy's at work right now. I know you guys are gonna miss him dearly, but I had a project that I had to get done really fast so that Jacob, our oldest, can take it with him LARPing. It is tick season. Every day is tick season when you're in Connecticut. Every season is tick season when you're in Connecticut. So I thought I would show you guys how to make this quick and easy little tick and mosquito spray. So I have all my ingredients ready. We have witch hazel, water, just plain water, lavender oil, essential oil, and peppermint essential oil, a small funnel, and a glass bottle to put it all in. This is super simple. There's not really many steps to it at all. Take your witch hazel, take your funnel, you funnel that. I don't measure. I guess eyeballing is kind of measuring. I'm going to put about 1/4 of this bottle worth of witch hazel. You can also use vodka if you'd like to. Witch hazel is cheaper and I have it on hand. So now I'm going to add my peppermint oil. Ants also hate this stuff. Lavender and peppermint are great for repelling most kinds of bugs. I'm gonna do just did 10 drops of peppermint, and I'm going to do the same amount. Actually, I'm going to do 15 drops of lavender. Doing more lavender because peppermint is a pretty overwhelming smell on its own, and sometimes can overpower the lavender, which is also a big smell. That's part of why it works well against ants also, is because it disrupts their scent trails and they get lost and confused. Now I'm going to go ahead and use my water to rinse down the sides where I had the essential oil, because this is plastic, and also fill the rest of my bottle. I'm not going to fill it all the way to the top because I would like to have some room to shake it. This is a mix that you're going to want to shake before each use. Make sure you twist this lid on tight. Don't spray it directly into your face because that's just dumb. Is that all right? It's hard to tell sometimes whether it's threaded correctly or not. And if you're trying to prevent ticks specifically, make sure you get it around your ankles really well. They love those. And you can spray a mist of it around your head and your hair. Just, again, don't spray it directly into your face. I feel like that should be obvious. Give it a sniff. Give it a spritz. Well, eventually. There we go. It smells good to me. You can also add a little lemon to that if you want to, because peppermint, lavender, and lemon go really well together. As I've shown in teas, I don't know if I've shown you guys. Lavender, peppermint, and lemon makes for a really tasty tea. Yeah, I can smell that. You can use this around your house as a bug spray if you're noticing a buildup of spiders in a certain area or mosquitoes just sprayed around that area. Ants, I just used it recently in the bathroom because we had some little ants coming in and it worked great. And then obviously if you're going outside or going to be in the woods all weekend or at all, give it a good spray. All right. Come here. Don't tell Dan, but I'm gonna go frost some cake.